Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Edge, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you guys need to find where the headlights fuses are located, you will end up having quite a few headlights fuses because low beams, high beams, left low, high low, right low beam, high beams, HID headlights are controlled by different fuses. We'll explain about all of them. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. But it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses guys. And we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere guys and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So guys, for the headlights, which fuses we need to check? We will need to check multiple headlight fuses on that Ford Edge. If you own one of them, it has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know about. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Edge. Here guys, what we need to do, we need to open the driver door. For the headlights fuses, you need to come under the dash on the driver's side. This is the parking brake paddle. Hood open lever, behind it on the left side you have a cover, remove it and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here guys, for the headlights, multiple fuses needs to be checked, up to 4 in this fuse box and 2 more in another one. By the way guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. You need to check fuse number 16, fuse number 17 right here. After that we need to check fuse number 23, it will be that 15 fuse right there, fuse number 23. Next you will need to check fuse number 39, so that will be that 15 fuse here. And then we need to come guys under the hood on the driver's side, that's your fuse box here, main engine fuse box, has 2 tabs, press them, it will open that cover, and on the back, once you open it guys, that's what it looks like. Now here, okay, let me show you guys, let's show you which fuses we need to check. Up to 2 more fuses, you may or may not have them depending on the option package that you have and which kind of headlights, if you have HID or non-HID headlights. But that's fuse number 56, 57, the one that we're missing here, that's an HID fuse, HID headlight fuse. And then you need to check fuse number 78. We're missing that one as well. One is for the left, one is for the right side. But if you have HID headlights, you'll need to check these fuses as well on Ford Edge. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.